So I got a comment from a client stating that they're 15 and they got a credit card and they're not going to pay for it most likely. What should they do? Now, I don't know about you guys, but you guys should not, well, 15, anybody that's under 18 should not be getting approved for a credit card. So let's start off with that. And then the second thing is this. If this is your first time watching my video, please make sure you like, please make sure you subscribe, and hopefully I see you in more videos. But seriously though, if you get a credit card and you're 15, this client says she's 15. If you're 15 and you end up somehow getting a Victoria's Secret credit card, then I want you to pay back whatever you get. Now, you have your social security number. I'm guessing that's what you put on your application. If you do not pay back what you get, say if you were to max out a credit card and you don't pay it back, what they're going to do is they're going to charge you way more money than you actually got or you used on your credit card. So you're going to get charged interest. On top of getting charged interest, they're going to charge you late fees. After they get done charging you for a certain amount of months, they're going to charge that account off. And when they charge it off, they're going to sell it to a collection company, and they're going to be reporting late every month since you got the card. Actually, I haven't really said that. The month that you get the card, the next month they should be reporting to the credit bureau. The first month will be good. Hey, they got the credit card, everything going good. The next month after that is, hey, they're 30 days late, they're 60 days late, there's 90 days late. After you go up to 180 days late, that's when they're going to charge it off and sell it to a collection company. And then they're going to have, that collection company is most likely going to put in your credit report. So you're going to have two accounts on there saying that you did not pay them. Now, you're still young, so when you finally get old enough to get you a, you finally get old enough, you want to get you a credit card, you're not going to be able to do that. You're going to be like those people that start off with collections on their credit reports and they never really had credit. And anytime you get money from any company, you have to make sure you pay it back, but don't get any money if you know you're not going to pay it back. That's a huge problem. Like, if you know you're not going to pay the money back, don't get any money from that credit card company. But 15, you shouldn't even have a credit card. I wouldn't even dibble and dabble if you can't even pay it back. I swear, because you're gonna realize when you get older, like, your life is gonna be like not all the way where it needs to be, because when you want to get an apartment, when you want to get a credit card, when you want to get a loan, you're going to have different problems. So don't even mess up your credit right now. I'm pretty sure your parents, or know my parents, other people's parents already messed it up enough that we don't even know what's going on. Don't start down that path. Usually as older people, I'm starting with that process with getting stuff removed from the credit reports. Don't be that person. Don't be that person when you're young. Get your stuff together while you're young. Don't use your credit card if you don't have the money paid for, and you should be good. But yeah, I would cancel it if I were you. But I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.